Hello guys, so today I'm just gonna show you how to install the Java on Manjaro. So basically what I did was to first of all use this command called git clone. Then after we have the repo URL right here, so you need to download this. So after downloading, so we are at the JDK folder which has been created. So we can see simply what we can do is make package dash I. So it's building the package right now, so it's telling me to proceed with the installation. So it's downloading all those files. Oh, it's not downloading, but it's just installing. Now it's installing all the package that I required. So it has been successfully installed. Thank you guys.